Hi students, I hope you are fine and healthy at your home. Now we will see chapter number 11, another video, dual nature of radiation. In this video we will try to solve some numerical questions related to dual nature of radiation. So we have a question that find energy of photon of wavelength 4000 angstrom. We have a energy given the photon of wavelength 4000 angstrom. We have to find the energy. We know that if we are length is given, wavelength is 4000 angstrom. First we have to change into the meter. Then we have to multiply that 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So here we will change into lambda into angstrom to meter, will be 4000 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, or it will be changes like 4 into 10 to the power minus 7. So by the formula of energy we know that A equal to Hc upon lambda, where H is Planck constant, which value is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule into second, and C is the speed of light, which value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So we will put these value in this equation, then we will determine the value of E. So what will we put? H means 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34. C value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by lambda which we have changes into the meter, 4 into 10 to the power 7 minus 7. So this will come to upper side, then it will be cutted, and if we'll solve, I have solved previously, so I have you can check the answer and try to solve. I am writing here the exact answer. It will be the energy we have determined to the photon. So we have to solve questions like that. We have to remember the formula. After that we will put the value and will determine the value of energy. Yeah. So now students will see that law of photoelectric emission. What is photoelectric effect? First we have to know what is photoelectric emission, and we will see the law of photoelectric emission. When the electromagnetic radiation light will incident on a surface, then electron will ejected from the surface. When a sufficient light of wavelength of electromagnetic wave, like we can say visible ray, so then electron will eject from the surface, then this phenomena is known as a photoelectric effect or photoelectric emission. Photoelectric effect is discovered by Hertz but described by the Einstein. But here we have to know that some law are related to photoelectric emission. What is the law occurred? The first law states that there is a cutoff value, definite cutoff value of frequency below which electron do not emit. Yeah, we have discussed this frequency is threshold frequency earlier. There is a definite cutoff value of frequency below which electron do not emit. So we have to put the minimum frequency of light, then only electron will emit. Okay, so there is a definite cutoff value of frequency below which electron do not emit. The next rule is that, next law is that number of electron is directly proportional to the intensity of light. Yeah, the number of electron, whatever electron will emit from the surface, it is dependent on the intensity, how much intensity of light is applying on the surface. Here third point is that very important, kinetic energy of emitted electron depends on the frequency of incident light. The electron kinetic energy will depend on the frequency. Yeah, if frequency is higher of any electron, then kinetic energy is also higher. So this is three law. First law is that there should be a definite cutoff value of frequency below which electron do not emit. Next one is that number of electron is directly proportional to the intensity of light, and kinetic energy of emitted electron depends on the frequency of incident light. So there is some rule, some law related that, and you must try to study all the chapter, because this is very small chapter and this contains very good marks and very interesting chapter that you can analyze by yourself and try to solve some numerical questions. photoelectric effect. Some portion is cutted out by the CBSC, but you must prepare some question which I mentioned here. And okay, thank you and God bless you everyone.